Well, India is celebrating its 75th year of independence, but for a majority of Indians, the availability of cheap internet data is also a form of independence. All thanks to one of the cheapest data in the entire world, Indians are hooked to their mobile phones. But India's telecom industry or the communications industry is more than 150 years old, and in 1800s, people used to communicate with each other through the postal communication. But in the 1850s, the then government had laid down landlines to start telegraph services in the country.
Following the installation of experimental electric telegraph lines, the British East India Company in 1851 began building telegraph infrastructure throughout the country. Telephone services made a debut with the commissioning of a 50-line manual telephone exchange in Kolkata in 1882. But one had to wait till the early 1900s for communications to evolve from wired telegraph to wireless telegraph, and for services like radio telegraph, radio telephone and trunk dialing.
Well, in the late 1980s, the Department of Telecommunications or DOT was made responsible to grow India's telecom sector. This era also saw MTNL and BSNL. Both these entities were given different tasks. MTNL was tasked to grow India's landline sector in Delhi as well as in Mumbai, whereas BSNL was tasked to ensure that international calling could also happen. But the major things took a positive turn post the liberalization era.
Things took a positive turn for the government-controlled telecom industry after India introduced steps to liberalize the economy in 1991. July 31st, 1995 was a historic day for the Indian telecom sector. That was the day when the Telecom Minister and Chief Minister of West Bengal made the nation's first mobile telephone call, made possible by a joint venture of Indian and Australian telecom companies. But following a business dispute, this service was sold to Airtel. There were some interesting developments in the 90s. For example, the temporary boom in pager services in India. While cellular services were launched in Calcutta in 1995, mobile users had to pay for both outgoing and incoming calls, making ownership of a mobile device a relatively costly proposition. This was the beginning of the GSM era.
Well, the golden era of India's telecom sector started only after post-2000s, when the private sector could also participate in grow India's telecom sector. It was GSM, CDMA, 2G which made mobile communication in India really popular, but the major boom in India's telecom industry was seen after the 3G and 4G evolution. But the major watershed moment in India's telecom industry is also considered the National Telecom Policy of 2004, which changed many things for the sector in a very positive manner.
India's telecom sector has become one of the fastest growing in the country. The government feels that the gloomy period for the sector is over and the scam era has also ended. The telecom industry is now a sunrise sector.
देखिए, जैसे कि आप सब जानते हैं कि इस सेक्टर में 5 ट्रिलियन इकोनॉमी की जब इंडिया बात करता है, तो अगर इसमें सबसे ज़्यादा कंट्रीब्यूशन दे सकता है तो वो हमारा टेलीकॉम इंडस्ट्री दे सकता है। और आदरणीय मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में जिस तरीके से एक तरीके से इस डिपार्टमेंट की लीगेसी स्कैम की रही है, वहाँ आज इस डिपार्टमेंट की पूरी इमेज लास्ट माइल सर्विस देने में एक ट्रांसपेरेंट गवर्नमेंट का मॉडल कैसे हो सकता है, उसमें सबसे अच्छा अगर अहम रोल कर रहा है तो वो टेलीकॉम इंडस्ट्री कर रहा है। ऑल सेक्टर्स के लिए, न केवल लास्ट माइल डिलीवरी, लेकिन आने वाले समय में लॉजिस्टिक, एजुकेशन, हेल्थ, कॉमर्स, बैंकिंग, इंश्योरेंस, एवरीथिंग, हर चीज़ हम इस कनेक्टिविटी के कारण, इस टेलीकॉम इंडस्ट्री की और विशेष तौर पे हमारे इंजीनियर्स की मेहनत के कारण 5G इंडिजिनस नेटवर्क जब इस देश में लगेगा तो बहुत बड़ा बदलाव इस देश में आएगा, जो इकोनॉमी में एज वेल एज सोशियो इकोनॉमी में बहुत बड़ा रोल प्ले करेगा।
India is at the cusp of 5G. In the recently concluded first ever 5G auctions, the government sold 51 gigahertz of 5G airwaves worth a whopping 1.5 lakh crore. Private telecom companies are expected to soon start 5G services across cities in India soon. For the state-run telcos, 4G and 5G airwaves have been reserved as well.
Well, India's telecom sector has grown at a rapid pace after gaining independence, and just from 2G we moved to 3G to 4G, and currently we are at the cusp of 5G, and it is also expected by the end of this decade India will be making rapid strides as far as 6G is concerned. With camera person Devendra Bish, this is Danish Anand for ET Now.